Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you something very important. Something very important about English. Many people want to learn English, they want to speak in English. I know a number of people, and you must also know many such people. They can understand English, they can read English, they can write English, they can understand English very well. When they watch any English video, English movie, they can understand. When they read something in English, they can understand. And when somebody talks to them, they can understand. But when it comes to speaking in English, they get stuck. It means they can read English, they can understand English. When they listen, they can understand very well. But while speaking in English, they get stuck, they feel hesitation, they mumble. Automatically, their mouth freezes and words don't come out of their mouth. It happens while speaking. Why? Because many people think that they need perfect grammar, perfect vocabulary, perfect confidence before they start. But the truth is that confidence comes only after you start. And the message is here, don't wait to be perfect. I repeat, my dear friends, don't wait to be perfect. Start where you are. Don't wait to be perfect. Start where you are. Start your English journey today. Dear friends, let me share a few stories with you. These stories are real. These are real life stories, my dear friend. These anecdotes are real. One of these stories is mine, my story. And the stories about my friends, people around me, how they learned English. What were their problems? You may find these problems are your problem. You may find the solution in these stories. It could be your stories, my dear friends. And one of these stories is mine. Number one, the simple sentence story. The simple sentence story. When I was in an institute, I was standing there, and near about 50 students were there sitting in front of me. That time, I could speak only one single simple sentence. One single simple sentence I could speak that time. My voice was shaking. I was feeling nervous. But I still tried to speak. And that moment, that simple sentence gave me confidence. That boosted my confidence. And dear friends, that day I learned one thing. And we all must remember one thing, that every expert was once a beginner. Every expert was once a beginner. So dear friends, start speaking. And the another story is about my friend. One of my friends, Dr. Mahendra Mahajan, is a good doctor who lives in Nashik. 3 years ago, he told me, "Arey yaar Kamlesh, I want to speak in English. I want to learn English. But I am not perfect. I don't know from where to start. Words don't come out of my mouth. What should I do?" I suggested him. The 5-minute practice system. Only 5-minute practice every day with consistency. I asked him to practice English every day only for 5 minutes. Watch English videos for 5 minutes. Read English loudly. Read English loudly for 5 minutes. 5 minutes think in English, and every day speak in English 5 minutes. Share your ideas in English every day with consistency. And dear friends, he did that for 3 months with consistency. And now he speaks in English with confidence. Not just because he was perfect, dear friends, because he was consistent. Consistency matters a lot. Every day, 5-minute English practice is better than 2-hour practice a week. So, my dear friend, you can follow this and can improve your English. And he did that for 3 months with consistency. And now he speaks in English with confidence. Not just because he was perfect, dear friends, because he was consistent. Consistency matters a lot. Every day, 5-minute English practice is better than 2-hour practice a week. So, my dear friend, you can follow this and can improve your English. And here is the third story, the mirror story. This story is about a girl. I know her. She is Ritika. One day she told me, "Sir, there is nobody in our area, in our mohalla, to talk to them in English. How should I practice English? Whom should I talk to in English?" I told her about the mirror technique. I asked her just to stand in front of the mirror and talk to herself. I said, "Ritika, you just stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself in English. Share your ideas in English, place your views, express yourself in English in front of the mirror." She laughed at first, but later she grew confidence and she practiced every day English in front of the mirror. And now her English is very nice. She works as a teacher in the renowned Sunrise Public School, Fofnar. So, my dear friends, sometimes the best partner is you. And if you don't have anybody to speak in English, to practice in English, don't worry. Wait for none. You can practice English in front of the mirror. And now we have AI, ChatGPT, a number of English teaching free apps are there. They will help you. You can take the advantage of that apps and you can speak in English. You can share your ideas. If you commit any mistake, if you make any mistake while speaking in English, this AI, ChatGPT and English teaching apps will correct you and they will help you. They will guide you how to speak, which word to use. These types of facilities are available now. And dear friends, I will make a separate video on that. So, practice English every day in front of the mirror. And the fourth story, the mistake story. There was a student in my institute. He told me, "Sir, you taught me English, but when I speak in English, I made mistakes. I made a mistake and people laughed at me. I made a mistake and people laughed at me. When I speak, sometimes I make mistakes while speaking and people make fun of me. They make mockery of me. I feel embarrassed. What should I do, sir?" I told him, "If you are making mistake, no problem. If people are laughing at you, don't worry. If they are laughing, let them laugh. They are doing their part. You do your part. And keep practicing. Don't bother about others. What they think, that is not your problem. One thing is in your hand, practice. And remember one thing, I told him, if you are making mistakes, if you are committing mistakes while speaking, that is not a big thing. And people are laughing at you, wait. Those people definitely will clap for you who are laughing at you today. So don't worry about the people. Give them a chance to clap for you. One day, definitely they will clap for you. And he came one day and said, Sir, if I stop my speaking practice because of one mistake, I will never learn English. And he practiced, he keep his English practice on, and now he is a good speaker. He speaks English very well. He is in a renowned MNC in Indore. So dear friends, if you are making mistakes, no problem. Mistakes are not failures. If you are making mistakes, it means that you are learning. If you are making mistakes, it means that you are trying to learn something. And these mistakes are the part of our success story. So dear friends, don't bother about the mistakes. You just keep practicing English. I told him, nobody is perfect in this world. Everybody is learning. So don't worry about others. Keep practicing. And here is the story number 5. The start where you are story. The start where you are story. My dear friends, there was a student in my class. He lived next to my house. I asked him one day, why don't you speak in English? He replied, Sir, I will learn full English grammar. I will learn all the vocabulary, noun, pronoun, idiom, phrases, intonation, accent, each and everything I will learn in English. Then I will start speaking in English. One day I will speak English, sir. Full English I will learn, and then I will start speaking in English. I told him, my dear, this is not the way. This is not the way, my dear friend. If you know a little English, start with that. Start your speaking journey, whatever English you know. If you know few sentences in English, start speaking. If you know what is your name, just ask people what is your name. If you know only one sentence, my name is Mohan, say my name is Mohan. If you know good morning, say good morning. If you know only one sentence, I am busy, use the same sentence, I am busy, when you need it. My dear friend, this is the way to learn English. Start speaking whatever English you know. If you know a little English, start with that. Your English will improve step by step. Your English will improve little by little. My dear friends, this is the way to learn English language. And he came to me and began to say, Sir, I will start English, whatever knowledge of English I have. I will start with the little English I know. And that brought confidence in him. And that changed the scenario. That single decision to start speaking English, whatever English you know. And he did that. He started speaking in English, and that changed everything. That decision changed his life, and he is now in a good position. So my dear friends, if you know simple sentences, few sentences, speak those sentences. Don't wait for anybody. Start speaking in English. And my dear friends, I am Kamlesh Panjrai, is always with you. I will help you. If you have any problem, any confusion, any doubt regarding anything, you can ask me. You can call me. You can message me. You can drop a comment in the comment box. You can share your ideas. You can ask your questions. I am there to help you, my dear friend. we all together will bring a change in this society. So, my dear friends, I am there to help you, and I repeat, don't wait to be perfect. Don't wait to be perfect, my dear friend. Start where you are. If you know little English, start with that. And one day, you will find a drastic change in your English, in your personality. Dear friends, I shared 5 stories here. And one of that stories is mine. In these 5 stories, I think your stories will be there. And if you find your stories there, if you find the solution is there, you can message me and you can comment in the comment box. Sir, this is our story number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will follow the solution and we will start speaking in English from now. And my message is here, start today. Start imperfect. Start small, but start. Don't wait to be perfect. Start where you are, my dear friends.